In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and access the offline settings in Google Calendar. To get started, make sure you are using Google Chrome and that your internet connection is stable. This is important because Google Calendar needs to load properly before you can reach its settings menu without interruptions. If your connection is weak or inconsistent, some options may not appear correctly or the page may take longer to respond. Once you're ready, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Give the page a moment to fully load so that all of the menu options and controls are visible. It's always a good idea to wait until the interface is completely ready before moving on, especially if you're working on a slower connection or an older device. After Google Calendar is open, look toward the upper area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you can manage the different preferences and configuration options for your calendar. Click the gear icon to open the menu. When the drop-down appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Calendar, where different categories are listed and organized for easier navigation. Once you're inside the settings area, direct your attention to the left side of the page. You'll see a list of setting categories arranged in a sidebar. This sidebar helps separate different calendar options into sections so you can quickly find the one you need. From that left side list, click the offline option. This category is where Google Calendar groups its offline related settings. Selecting it will open the offline settings page so you can review or manage that part of the calendar configuration. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the option, make sure the settings sidebar is fully visible and that the page has finished loading. In some cases, resizing your browser window or scrolling slightly may help bring all available categories into view. And that's it. You've now opened Google Calendar in Chrome, accessed the main settings menu, and navigated to the offline settings section. This is a simple process, but knowing exactly where to go can save time and make it easier to manage your calendar preferences efficiently.